can't tell.
Got blood here. Dude, I smoked him, man. He's right here. Yeah.
Man, that thing ran forever.
Look at that. It's a 5-point. Awesome. We like to take 1.5 years out of the herd. Hey, he could ride home in Greg Walker's truck any day. We're going to gut my deer right now. So, for all you people that don't know how to gut, watch and learn. Actually, first thing you want to do is make a little hole, little incision. I like to pull the skin up so I don't get into the belly. Make that incision right like that. Flip my knife around to the gut blade. It's got a little hook on there. Find your hole and you just pull up all the way up till you get to the rib cage right here. All right, this is the stomach sack. All this stuff. This is why I saw little pieces of corn in his as we were trailing him, because I think one thing you don't want to do is slice open those pouches, because then it stinks. But back here, this is his liver. I actually got part of his liver. All right, I guess we'll drag him down to the creek. That's how you keep meat cool when it's like 50 degrees.